guys, and watch this video closely, because on this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to participate on the 3DOS Airdrop. All right, so this is the PIM project and they are building on the SUI. So if you know SUI, you will get to understand that they have been giving good airdrop back to back. A very good example of an SUI backed airdrop is the Walrus airdrop. All right, so on this video guys, we are going to be talking about this particular one called the 3DOS airdrop, and on this video, trust me, it is going to be very simple and I'm going to make you understand every single thing. And the best part of this airdrop is that you don't have to come here every single day. This is actually the third time that I'm actually checking the airdrop since February, because we've actually been on this airdrop for about 8 months and the airdrop is still ongoing. We have been accumulating points, and literally if you look over here, I have got 359.86 points, and all these points I just got it out of time, and I don't need to come and check in daily. It is not a must, and believe me, this is the third time I'm checking on this airdrop since February. All right, so right now watch closely. Let me show you how you can be able to set up your own account, and all you need to know concerning this airdrop in order for you to be among those that are going to be claiming it, as the TGA is coming very, very close. Trust me, if you are just getting to hear about this project today, you are not late to it. You can start today and get eligible today. The TGE date has not been announced, just that I have the feeling that the TGE is around the corner. So without talking about, guys, let's now get started with the airdrop. Let me show you how you can be able to set your account totally free. You don't need to spend a dime on this airdrop. All right, so first thing guys, remember our token giveaway is still on. So if you want to be participating on the token giveaway, which we run on this channel every single week, we give token to our video viewers. So if you want to be part of it, just look below the video you are watching right now. You are going to be seeing this subscription button right here. Click on it to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Also go ahead to click on the bell icon that will be appearing and select all, so that immediately I post new video, you will know about it instantly. Also go ahead right now, then you're going to be seeing this thumbs up button. Give this video a thumb up like this, then make sure you share the video, very important. Then finally drop your comment right there on the comment section to be able to be selected among the winners. So with that being done guys, let's now get started with the airdrop. Like I already say, this is actually a PIM project, and for you to know what I mean by SUI is there are crypto blockchain. All right, so you can see their token or their coin is currently around $2.12 right here, and you can see right here this project called 3DOS, which is building on the SUI blockchain, is actually being backed by Redbeard Ventures. This actually include Layer Zero, Sandchain, and a lot of them right there. So let's not waste time. Let me show you how you can be able to set up your account and get started with this airdrop immediately. So coming over here to their X account, they actually made a post yesterday. You can see their X account is very hot and very active. They actually made a post yesterday saying that a lot of tasks are now available, and we should go, of course, and stake our points, and of course, stack our points and boost our rank in order for us to print money in the future. So literally that's what they mean. So let me now show you how you can be able to set up your account. First of all, the link is going to be right there on the video description box. Okay, so once you click on the link, you are going to be brought right here on this website. Okay, so once you get yourself to this website, first thing you need to do is to create an account using maybe your email address, or you can create an account using a Solana based wallet, example Phantom wallet. So once you create your account, then you are going to be seeing your dashboard like this. Okay, and the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click over here that we have download extension. Okay, let me click it right now. Okay, and once you click on it, you are going to be asked to actually add this 3DOS extension to your browser. Literally I'm using Mrs. browser. You can use Mrs. browser or Brave browser. I guess Brave browser also accommodates extension, so but I'm literally using Mrs. browser to actually run this. So if you are using Chrome browser and you are on mobile phone, you are not going to be able to add it to your extension. So make sure you go to Play Store or Apple Store, download Mrs. browser, so that you can be able to get extensions like this. Okay, so once you add it among your extensions, then you are going to be having something like this. Okay, but once you get something like this, it is not going to start generating immediately for you. Can see this is my balance right here. So once you get this extension, they are going to be requesting you to put this code. Okay, you can see this code right here. They are going to be requesting you to put it. All right, so to be able to get this code, you simply need to come over here to your profile. Okay, come over here to your profile, scroll down a little bit. You can see this code right here. Okay, you simply copy the code. Okay, once you copy the code, then you come back right here to the extension that you just added, then you put it right here, and immediately it will start generating your points for you. You don't need to come and check it out every single day. Once you have set it up like this, then you can go and rest. That is all. Okay, so there's another thing that is very important that you need to know concerning this airdrop. I have so much faith on this airdrop, okay? So, but I'm not giving you hope. You know, airdrop can disappoint at the same time. So, but I believe this airdrop is going to be a sure cook, okay? So, once you have got your extension set up, because immediately you copy those key and put it right here, you have set up your extension, because your points are going to start generating immediately. If they ask you for referral code, this is your referral code right here. This is of course your referral code, which is 55 small letter F, as you call it, 7 small letter E, then 4. That is your referral code. Okay, so once you have put it like that, then you are done setting up your extension, and your point is going to start generating for you real time. Okay, so next thing that you need to know right here is that we have task section. Okay, we have section where you need to complete tasks only. Okay, so you can see the page is of course community.3dos.io, and over here this is where you see your rank on the leaderboard, and of course this is where you get to complete some social tasks, very simple tasks, and you are going to see yourself ranking up on the leaderboard. So over here on the global leaderboard, you can see I'm actually the what's this doing, you can see I'm the 17,394 person. I'm way behind, because you know I've not been checking it daily. And when you look closely, you can see I am on the, you can see I'm on level 10. I'm on level 10 right there. So over here, when you scroll down, you can see there are lots of other tasks right here which you need to complete. You can see over here there are a lot of tasks. I haven't completed this one right here, but if you look closely, you can see you have the tasks that you have completed. You can see you have completed all this one. I've taken my time to complete all of them, so do not be lazy about this. Go ahead and complete yours too. When you scroll down, you can see we have other ones right here which you need to go ahead and complete. Okay, so scrolling down again, you can see we have this one right here, and finally we can see all this one. The daily check-in is right here. Checking in daily is very important right now. Okay, but when you scroll down again, you can see we have all this one. I'm yet to complete these two. Okay, so this is literally all you need to do. So once you have been able to complete all the tasks right here, you are going to be ranking very high on the leaderboard. Okay, you can see the first person only have 75,000 points only, and he's ranking very high. Okay, so when you click over here right here, you can see ranking over here, which is where you are going to be seeing your full detail. I'm currently on level 10, like I told you guys earlier, and you can see this is of course my total points, 700 and 7,500 points. This is my rank. This is okay, you have passed. Okay, I've passed 98,000 members, so I'm among the top 2%. Okay, and these are my rewards right here. Literally, I've got no reward right here. Okay, I believe I'm going to be digging to see how I'm going to be able to get those rewards. Okay, so but right now let me show you other things that are considered very important. Okay, and from there you have literally done everything, and you have known everything concerning this project. All right, so to the summary right now is you need to click on the link right there on the video description box, create your account, and once you have created your account, then you download the extension, copy your key from the website and paste it over there on your extension so that you start generating. Then finally you come over here, then you get to complete all the necessary tasks. That is literally all you need to know as far as this 3DOS building on SUI blockchain is concerned. All right, so this is a sure cook, as I believe, and in the nearest time we are going to be seeing what we are going to be achieving from this project. All right, so thank you for watching the video. If you find this helpful, do not forget to drop your comments right there, and also like and subscribe if you haven't done that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next video, and big bang updates coming very soon.